Hey Subtours, we've got a question for you today from our mailbag. And the question is, I've got information overload, I don't know where to start, uncertainty in all different ways, no systems in place. How can I get started doing this? And my advice to our email person is, listen, you really need to focus on one thing. Commit to that for a certain period of time, but don't jump around from thing to thing. We see this a lot with new investors, shiny object syndrome. And listen, I had it when I got started too. When I got started, I thought lease options were the thing to do. And I moved through different things until I really found what I like, which was buying subject to existing financing. So pick a thing, focus on it, put the systems in place that you need. And if you're unsure, maybe you're afraid that you'll make a mistake, either find somebody locally, or gosh, we do things on Zoom now, so you can find a friend, another investor, somebody that you can talk to from across the country. Or if nothing else, hire a good coach. Make sure they're vetted, make sure they come from recommendations, and hire someone to be there to answer those questions for you when you're uncertain about what to do, and to keep you focused on what the goal is. That's really the best course of action. Don't give something 2 weeks or even 30 days and think that you're going to master it and you're going to, if it doesn't work, it just doesn't work, and you move on to the next thing. Like I said, we see this in a lot of newer investors that hop from coach to coach and group to group, always looking for the key to what it is, the secret that everyone else is holding back, and it just doesn't exist. The secret to this business is picking something, sticking with it, putting the systems in place, and putting in the time. And I think if you do that, you'll find success.